And that breaking news today, a huge traffic mess on I-5 right now. One person is dead after a wrong-way driver crashes head-on into a car near Battleground.
K2's Dan Casuto is live at the scene. Dan, 2 children were involved in the wreck?
Yes, 2 children, Angelica and a mother and that other driver. We don't know which one of those 4 people is the person that died at this point, though, but we do know that all 4 of them are at the hospital. I'm going to step out of the way here and just show you. This is really a horrific scene. There are 2 cars that are involved. You can see that the highway is back open again and traffic is moving around the accident very slowly. Highway workers and the Washington State Patrol are sweeping up, raking up bits of glass all over the road. They've loaded that 1 car onto the tow truck, and we see another tow truck in the area too, so they are probably going to have this highway open at some point completely in the near future. We know that 1 driver got on the highway and was going the wrong way. He or she was going south in the northbound lanes, and the State Patrol says that those 2 cars collided head-on. There was a mother and 2 kids in 1 car and 1 driver, the only person in that other car. All 4 people had to go to the hospital, and we do know, as you mentioned just moments ago, that the State Patrol did confirm that 1 of those people has died. We don't know the condition of the other 3 people. We don't know if it was the kids or the mother or the other driver who has passed away, but we are going to keep following this. I'm going to break away now, go back and talk to some of the emergency personnel, see what else I can find out for you. I can tell you we're in Battleground. This is near 179th in Washington. Terrible, terrible traffic all up and down I-5 once you cross into Washington State. I'm live near Battleground. Dan Casuto, K2 News.
A sad story on the freeway today. Dan, thank you, and keep it live on K2 for continuing coverage of breaking news. In between our newscasts, you can always find updates at KATU.com and track us on Twitter using the Live on K2 hashtag.